Hello all, welcome back to the third Riyazpal session of harmonium learning. In this session, I'll talk a little bit about myself. I'll talk a little bit about this, special harmonium that I'm using, and then we'll go back to the keyboard, and I'll show you, equivalent of Hindustani as well as Western, so that you can do a nice mapping of the keyboard. So I learned harmonium playing from my guru Vinayak Rao Kale, who was a Gwalior Gharana vocalist from Thane. He is no more. Currently, as and when time permits, because of the distance, I learn from Vidushi Seema Shirodkar as much as I can. I've been playing and accompanying for more than 30 years now. Have a lot of experience for solo as well as accompaniment. The harmonium that I am using is custom made for myself by Hinge brothers from Badlapur, who are also now my very good friends. They do make excellent harmoniums. This is a custom made one that they made for me about 10 years ago. Similar harmoniums to this are now being widely used by a lot of professional harmonium players and accompanists. All across, especially Maharashtra, Karnataka, and hopefully in the north as well, but all across India they have been using it, and also in Europe and United States where I live, these harmoniums are in use. Now I'll go back and I'll show you the keyboard mapping between the Western keyboard or the Western notes and Indian notes, and those who actually want to keep on referring back to this map might want to just make a note of it or make a table so that they can refer back to that. So let's now understand the keyboard one more time, and I'll show you the mapping. And as I said before, most keyboards, this being a custom made harmonium, the keyboard starts with a different key. But what you want to realize is for most harmoniums, the keyboard will start on a note called C, which is right here. So again, this is your C, Safed ek. This is your D, Safed don. This is your E, Safed teen. This is your F, Safed char. This is your G, Safed panch. This is your A, Safed six. This is your B, Safed seven, and this is back to C again. So again, going back one more time, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C. And the mapping on the Indian side again is Safed ek, Safed do, Safed teen, Safed char, Safed panch, Safed छः, Safed सात, and back to Safed ek, because again this is a full octave. Alright, so having understood that part, what are these black notes called, right? So we'll go back here. So this is, again, in the English or Western music, what they do, and we'll only use the sharp. So the sharp means half note up, and the flat means half note down. So in other words, if this is C and this is D, then this note can be called C sharp, half note up, or D flat, half note down. Just to make it easy for everybody, we will completely will not use the flat at all. Let's only use sharp to keep things simple. Okay, so going back, Indian numbering is fairly easy. Kali ek, Kali do, Kali teen, Kali char, Kali panch, or Kali ek, because again this is an octave like this. Going back to the Western notation, let's go back again. C, C sharp. D, D sharp. E, F, F sharp. G, G sharp. A, A sharp. And again C sharp. So this is Kali ek, do, teen, char, panch, and Kali ek again. And the English notes again one more time. C, C sharp. D, D sharp. F, F sharp. G, G sharp, and A sharp. For those, again going back to where human voice is, Most of the times female will sing G sharp or in these three notes. So they'll either sing in G sharp or A sharp. Most males will sing here, 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 which is C, C sharp, D, D sharp, or Kali ek, Safed ek, Kali ek, Safed do, Kali do. And again, few exceptions exist. So now you should be able to map your notation from English into what we call Indian notation. For those who are actually working, for example, with Basuri, you'll find that a lot of Basuri players will come and tell you, hey, my Basuri is in E. So then you should immediately realize that E note is C, D, E. So they are playing in Safed Teen. Or they might say my Basuri is in G, and they'll say, okay, your G is here. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are playing in Safed 5. So you'll realize where they want to play. And then you should be able to tell them that, my playing note, by the way, is C sharp. So make sure to get the right Basuri because this is C sharp. If you are playing in C, you can say my playing note is C. Just get this, which is Safed ek. So again, Safed ek, Kali ek. Safed do, Kali do. So this way you should be able to map between back and forth and have an intelligent conversation with other people who use a different notation. Thank you.